Good day, Mom and Sir. My name is Liberty Cortez, 41 years old, live in Orion, Bataan, Philippines. I am married. I have two sons. Their age are 20 and 18 years old. I am a Catholic. I've worked in Hong Kong with a family of four, one couple and their two daughters. Their age are 3 and 10 years old. My main duties are taking care of their kids. I'll do a household chores like washing their clothes, washing their dishes, cleaning the house, and sometimes shopping their groceries. I also work in Philippines for 3 years. One couple and their two daughters. Their age are 3 and 7 years old. My main duties are taking care of their kids, and sometimes I'll do a household chores like cleaning their house, bathroom cleaning, and also washing their dishes. I am an honest person, trustworthy, kind, and kids lover. I and also I am a pet lover. Thank you.